Hello, I'm Chris Sarley, investment research analyst at Fund Caliber, and today I'm delighted to be joined by Richard Parfect, fund manager on the Elite Radar VT Momentum Diversified Income Fund. Richard, once again, thank you for joining us today.
You're welcome.
I just wanted to sort of round it all together by focusing the last sort of minute or so on the fact that this pays income monthly and the smoothing that sort of works through that. Could you maybe explain sort of the way you've sort of equalised it to make sort of an ideal payout for investors throughout the year? Just explain that to the viewers, please.
Yeah, sure. So the essentially obviously 12 months a year, obviously 11 months we aim to pay a flat dividend, depending on what share class you're in, but a flat distribution for those 11 months, and then the 12th month is a balancing payment. It's usually the 12th month which goes ex in March, pays in April. That is usually a higher. Slightly higher dividend for that month than the previous 11 months. Now so we smooth basically over the majority of the year. We can't roll over income from one year to the next. We have to. It's not like an investment trust. A fund has to distribute everything in its accounting year. But there can occasionally within a year be a hiccup whereby we can only distribute what's been accrued.
Mm-hmm.
Up to that point. So occasionally, sometimes once in a year, a month will be a bit less than what is to be expected on the smoothing. And that's simply because some dividends haven't gone X in that month we would expect them to be going X very, very quickly. And quite often, on the first day of the following month, we would have had enough income to distribute the previous month. Very frustrating. Value Track don't let us sort of distribute stuff that we know is coming but hasn't gone ex dividend. So the way we manage that is if there has been a month that is paid a little bit less, it's not usually massively less, but a little bit less, we then make an adjustment the following month to pay a bit more to compensate. So across those 2 months, you've basically had what you would have had as if there hadn't been any sort of hiccup. But yeah, that's a timing issue that's beyond our control, and there's an accounting rule. But yeah, basically that's the way it plays out.
Not too much upheaval at all. It's just something.
It's annoying, but we never have a month where there's no income. Yeah. Sometimes a month is maybe 10% less than what it might otherwise be.
Okay. On that note, Richard, thank you very much once again for joining us today.
No worries. Thanks, Chris.
No problem. And if you'd like to learn more about the VT Momentum Diversified Income Fund, please visit fundcaliber.com.